Hi and welcome to the video training of JavaScript. In this video training we will be learning about Fullscreen API thanks to developer.mozilla.org. Okay, the Fullscreen API. The Fullscreen API adds methods to present a specific element and its descendants in full-screen mode and to exit full-screen mode once it is no longer needed. This makes it possible to present desired content such as an online game using the user's entire screen, removing all browser user interface elements and other applications from the screen until full screen mode is shut off. Methods on the document interface. There is a method called document.exitFullScreen. Requests that the user agent switch off from full screen mode back to windowed mode. Returns a promise which is resolved once full screen mode has been completely shut off. Methods on the element interface. Element.requestFullScreen asks the user agent to place the specified element and by extension its descendants into full screen mode, removing all of the browser's user elements as well as other applications from the screen. Returns a promise which is resolved once full screen mode has been activated. This is the full code that we will be practicing today. So let's go to the console, the terminal, and now we are going to personal project JavaScript. Here I'm going to create a full screen API folder and the password. Okay, set the permissions. Full screen API. Okay, going to create index.html, and within index.html I'm going to create a script tag here, and I'm going to write the code for full event in function toggle full screen, and here I'm going to say if not document dot full screen element. This checks if the screen is already in full mode or not. If it is in full mode, then going to document dot document element dot request full screen. So if the user is not in full screen, it makes the screen full screen. In else, I'm going to just check if document dot exit full screen is true, then document dot exit full screen. That's it. This is our whole code, and here we are going to create a button input type button, and going to say it toggle full screen, and on click event we are going to call our function toggle full screen, and in the value going to say click here to toggle full screen. That's it. That's our whole code. Save the file. Now let's go to this folder, personal projects, JavaScript Fullscreen API, and double click the file, and if I click the toggle to full screen, alright, if I click here to toggle full screen, you see our screen is full now, and if I click it again, we are back to normal screen. So you can use it in applications such as online games or applications which require full-time full screen mode. So that's how you can use it. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please do subscribe to my channel if you like this video. You can reach me if you need any assistance. I'll be more than happy to reply back. Thanks.